This is another food video. This is a chicken Kati roll. This is at the mall in Kolkata. This is actually chicken. The last one was mutton. Wow. It's a flaky paratha. Flaky. And the chicken is chicken tikka. And it's onions and green peppers. Costs $1.76. This is amazing. I wish you could try it here. You should have come first here to the food court at this cool mall. A bunch of different Indian things here, plus dumb Pizza Hut, stupid Burger King. For some reason, pizza no. And yeah, this is amazing. Chicken Kati roll. It's born right here in Kolkata. Born in West Bengal. No other place has this. This is the original.